In this lesson, you will learn how to use the recycle bin feature, which has been released recently in the version 15.1.90. At the time of the recording, this version was available on the SaaS environment of Micro Focus ALM Octane, and very soon it is also going to be released on the on-premise installations. So let's take a look how the defect recycle bin looks like. First of all, we go into the issues module. If you are here on the issues module and if you try to delete a defect, you will see it appears like always. So you receive this message of deletion and you have to confirm it. However, if we go to the customization, on the customization of this project, you can see that over here we have a new entry for recycle bin, and this is basically where we are showing you all the different deleted entities which you can restore. So let's go into the recycle bin option of that specific project. You see, it's my recycle bin is currently empty. I'm the administrator of this project, so I can see basically this recycle bin feature, and it's available to me as an admin. So let's now delete this defect. So it's 6020. I will delete it, confirm the deletion. You will see it will disappear. And basically what happens now is it's gone. Yeah? So if you want to restore the defect, you need to restore the database, the Elasticsearch, and also if it really also had attachments, you have to restore also the file repository items. And sometimes you delete accidentally multiple defects you didn't want it to delete. In such case, those defects are gone. Yeah, you have to really do the restore on the database. You see, I've deleted now in total 7 defects, 6 now and 1 before, and those defects would be normally completely deleted and I have to restore the database. But in this case, as I am using now the latest version of ALM Octane 15.1.90, in the recycle bin, when I click on refresh, you see those items are appearing here as well. So the recycle bin has, on one side, it has its own ID of the entry which is located in the recycle bin, and the good news is that the entity ID remains. Yeah, so if I delete a defect and restore it, it will have the same ID, so like nothing happened to this defect. And as an admin, I can for sure select those defects and decide, okay, I want to delete them completely, or I want to restore them. So let me restore maybe one by one. Let's restore first this one, which I deleted at the first step. You also see here some additional information about deletion time and who was the guy who deleted it. Yeah? You can for sure put in here some additional fields which are more related to the recycle bin feature itself in order to have the audit. We track those things. The entity author you can leave in if you want. Let me put it next to the entity ID. And now from here I want to restore the defect. So let's select it, click on restore. It should disappear from here soon. You can see this defect disappeared, and here the 6020 should now appear. So you can see the defect returned. The whole history is still there. Yeah, so no information is lost. I have all the attachments on this defect. Also, the whole relations are restored as well. So it's really like nothing happened. And in the same manner, I as an administrator can decide as a workspace admin if I want to restore everything, or there are items I want to delete, then I would delete those out of the recycle bin. Now I have restored all my defects which I deleted, and these are immediately available on the project with all the relations and sets, attachments, information I had at the time of deletion completely restored and put back into the project.